Hi guys, welcome back to Keep Gorgeous channel. Today we're back at another unboxing video, which is on Keith Grunch, and we have this new Zootophia2 thing, and his name is Wilde, and he's number 2, and he's from Zootophia2, and let's open him. He's cool, right? He's flying. And let me show you something cool. Whee! And I like the box, guys. Say like and subscribe, guys.
Keep dogs moving, shaking. Get 50% off your first box, only at thefarmerstock.com.
Flora Sentiva.
So guys, like, subscribe if you like this video. Bye!
Cherry blossom.